Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Okay, so for today's video, we will learn about absolute values, chapter 3.2. Okay, 3.2 absolute values. Okay, for this chapter, we will learn about absolute values, equation and also inequalities. So we will have two main subtopic: absolute equation, sorry we will have absolute equation and absolute values inequalities. Okay, so for equation, as we know, there was equal sign. Inequalities, we have greater than, equal, less than, or less than equal. Okay, so for today, we will first go into the introduction and definition of absolute values. Okay, as you can see here, there is a number line. Okay, so modulus x is the distance of x from 0. Okay, what does it mean? For example, I have number 5 here. So I want a distance, how far from origin. For example, x is 5 units from the origin. So for example here, 5 units. 5 units. Okay, so let's calculate the unit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But to the left is negative value. So put the negative value here. Okay, so modulus means the distance. So how far? It's 5 units. 5 units from the origin. 5 units to the left, 5 units to the right. Okay, that's mean modulus 5. Just look at our example here. Okay, that's mean our modulus negative 5 is equals to modulus 5 is equal to 5, because 5 represents the distance from origin. As we know, origin is 0. Okay, so here is why we will calculate, we will denote anything in modulus as positive value. It will always become positive value. Dia akan sentiasa ada positive value. Okay, sebab apa? Modulus ataupun absolute value ni represent distance. So distance mana ada negatif, betul. Jarak sentiasa positif. Yang ada negatif cuma kalau speed kita ada deceleration, so ada negative value lah. Tapi kalau distance kita tak akan ada negative value. Sebab tu modulus ni value dia sentiasa positif. Okay, so now we go to definition of absolute values. Apa maksud definition ni? Okay, bila dalam soalan dia kata define the absolute value. Define means awak kena buka dia jadi ni, piecewise function. This is piecewise function. Awak akan jumpa dalam topik function nanti. So wajib bila dia kata define modulus something ni, sekarang kita letak x kan, sebab general formula. So for example, define modulus x. So kita wajib buka dia jadi 2, ada curly bracket, and then kat sini kita tulis apa? Sini kita tulis x, yang bawah ni adalah negative x. Kenapa x negative x? Macam saya kata tadi, kita ada bahagian yang positif dan bahagian yang negatif. Kita ada negative value dengan positive value. Okay, so modulus x tu macam ni. Modulus x is equals to x, and then comma, x0 ni apa? Ini adalah range dia, okay? Range. So x greater than equal 0. Bawah ni negative x, x less than 0. Okay, I want to highlight something. Okay, let me pick a color. Okay, greater than 0, greater than 0, less than 0, greater than equal 0, satu lagi less than equal 0. Okay. Oh ni, sorry. Greater than equal 0 for positive value of x, less than 0 is for negative value of x. This is fixed. Don't change it. Don't change this one. Equal will belongs to positive number. The negative one doesn't hold any equal sign here. Okay. Because of why? In number line, if you already choose the origin, means 0 include, that means 0 include to the right, and then 0 another one to the left. It's not include. So this is x greater than equal 0. This is x less than 0. Okay, basic number line. Okay, then here we look at define. For example, here I have modulus x equals to 4. So they want us to solve. So modulus x is equals to modulus 4. Modulus 4 is equals to 4. The value is always positive. So over here I have x equals to negative 5. X modulus x equals to modulus negative 5 equals to 5. Okay. So if I have x equals to 3 minus pi, so modulus 3, modulus x equals to modulus 3 minus pi equals to pi minus 3. Why? Because why do you change from here? How do you change? Because 3 is positive, right? So positive become negative, negative become positive. Okay, and then you calculate using calculator, and then you get 0.412. Okay, very easy. Okay, so next, this is the definition. Okay, this is how to calculate the value. Find value of absolute x. Okay, this is a very simple one. This is a definition, means you need to open up, split it up into 2x and negative x. Okay, so important notes here is very important. Why I say important? Because you will use this many times when you want to solve absolute value. You will use this notes. Modulus x is equal to square root x squared. It gives the same meanings. Okay, left and right. Okay, for example, we look at the example here. Example 1 give meaning to modulus x plus 2 square. So we write back modulus assert x plus 2 square is equal to x plus 2. Look back at this definition here. So this is our x. This is this is our x. Inside the bracket here is our x. So you just give, when they said give meanings, this is what they want. Change this into absolute value. Okay, so for example 2, they say define. Okay, when they say define, means you need to use this one, definition of absolute value, this piecewise function. Okay, so how to define modulus x plus 3? Modulus x plus 3, write back the absolute values, equals to curly bracket, this is x, right? So x plus 3, x plus 3 greater than equal 0. Okay, how do I get this? Remember, our formula, our formal definition is modulus x, x greater than equal 0, negative x less than 0. So what we have done here is we just copy back what inside the modulus and copy back to the first row. So x plus 3. The second row, negative x plus 3. For x plus 3 less than 0. Okay, so have we completed the piecewise function? Not yet. Okay, so you need to simplify this. Simplify. I want you to simplify. Okay, so modulus x plus 3 equals to curly bracket x plus 3 x greater than equals negative 3. How do I get this? X plus 3 greater than 0, x greater than equal negative 3. So find x here. So negative x minus 3. How do you get minus? It comes from this one. We multiply the negative side to the inside the bracket. Okay, now negative x minus 3, comma, x less than negative 3. How do I get this? X plus 3 less than 0, x less than negative 3. Okay, so that's all for the intro and definition of absolute values. Thank you.